Thursday, January 19th. It's about 5:47 p.m. Thursday. As you can see, I've had some bridge work done. Those guys are doing the frames for the bridge. It's actually going to have quite a bit of concrete and rebar, so it should be pretty solid. I actually finished two things today. I got the tree cut down that was in the way at the end of the bridge, and I also got the ramp partially built. I think it's enough for now. I still need a few more 2x4s, but that tree is out of the way, and it was a big tree. So I'm gonna keep these logs. They're pretty solid. There's another frame they're building, or they built for the bridge. You can see the pits they've dug. So they're coming along. Hopefully they can finish it up soon. They probably won't finish it tomorrow, but hopefully they can finish it up pretty soon. The road guys are ready to go. And that's pretty much it. Tomorrow I will probably start working on the poles for the solar grid. That's the next big project. Once the road is complete, of course, moving the containers is primary, but the solar panels have got to get put in. I've got the water tank and the septic tank ordered, and they should be here soon. So coming along.